week I received the question, what do you cost to clean Oriental rug? What do you charge to clean a plush rug? This question, it's the same thing like asking a mechanic, what do you charge to fix my car? Please, let me explain to you how you can get the price right away. Text me the pictures of your rug, the top of the rug and the bottom of the rug. Let me know if you're having a dog or it's a cat problem. Let me know the size of the rug and your location, and I will text you back the price on the penny. And when I give the price, it will never change. Guarantee. Enjoy the video. Look how I clean Oriental rug. At the end of the video, you have instruction how to fold the rug the right way. Thank you very much for contacting PetPeePee.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.